C-I-R-C-L-E.
Circle.
C-I-R-C-L-E.
Circle.
Circle like the sun, round like a ball. Roll your arms in circles, round and small.
Leader.
S-Q-U-A-R-E.
Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square.
Square like a box, 4 equal sides, so neat.
Make a square with your arms. Feel that beat. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Stomp out. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Stomp out. Triangle like a slice, 3 corners point up high. Point with fingers to make a peak. Touch the sky. Shapes around a spell and show. Oh, T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Go. Point, clap, spin, and play. All learn each shape along the way. Leader. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Oh, R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Rectangle like a door, long sides next to long. Stretch your arms long and short. Sing this song. O-V-A-L. Oval. Tap hands. O-V-A-L. Oval. Tap hands. Oval like an egg, long and round, not tight. Make an egg shape with your hands. Soft and light. S-T-A-R. Star. H-E-A-R-T. Heart. S-T-A-R. Star. H-E-A-R-T. Heart. Star like twinkles in the sky. Heart. Heart like love we share. Sparkle fingers for a star. Hug your chest if you care. Use a square and triangle. What do you see? A house. Cheer. Windows and a tree. Circle and oval. What can they be? A sun and an egg. A face or a bee. D-I-A-M-O-N-D. Diamond. D-I-A-M-O-N-D. Diamond. Diamond like a kite, points at every side. Make a diamond with your arms open wide. What shape is a clock